Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cyrus, and today I'll be showing you how to get $5,000 prop firm giveaway. This is very legit, and the link to claim this giveaway is in the comment sections or the descriptions of this video. Alright, now when you click on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section, it's going to bring you up to this page where you can follow the other steps and get access to your $5,000 giveaway. So the next thing for you to do now, you have to understand this is a huge amount of money, so you have to strictly follow the rules, okay? And the rules are not tedious, by the way. So here you see 3 entries. Okay, so you've got to click on the register here. All right, I'm going to take you through the steps that you need to follow. You have to register on Nostro website, so you're going to fill in your information, your full name and your email address. Okay, you can click on the box for notify me of the trusted prop competitions. This is optional, okay? It is optional, but then you should actually click it because because of future giveaways, you'll be notified for future giveaways. So fill in your info and click on the next one. So after filling in your info, you click on save, and after clicking on save, it will bring you here. All right, get 2 entries when you visit this page. Okay, so you click here, and then it brings you here where you're going to enter your details in full. Okay, this is where you're going to fully create an account, a Nostro account. Okay, all right, so what you got to do is enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email, and you click on next. Okay, when you click on next, it's going to bring you to this page, all right, where you can select your country and then create a password for the account. Now, after selecting your country of residence, then you're going to create your password. Now, when you're creating your password, make sure you use case sensitive, meaning you use uppercase letter mixed with lowercase letter, and you can also include a number and special characters to make your password a strong one. Then when you've done that, you confirm the password and you click on you certify that you're 18 years and above, and then you click on register. So it's going to bring you here to verify your email, so you go to check your email address. So it's going to bring you here to this page, then you go to your email account and you verify your email address. From your email account, you click on verify account, and then it's going to take you to where you're going to proceed. Click on verify, and then it brings you back here where it says that your account has been activated successfully. Okay, so you have to log in again. Okay, that process that you just completed is for the creation of your account, while now you've got to enter the email address and the password you created to log in to the account. Alright, now after you've successfully logged in, then press back, like keep pressing back until you're back to this page. Alright, you remember this is where we click get to entries when you visit this page. Alright, so you've got to come back to this page and click continue. You click continue. Then you'll be asked to prove that you are human. So you click on verify that you are human, verify, and then you're back to this page. Alright, you see you've been given your 2 entries already. You've been given your 2 entries. you've already successfully registered, so you click on join the trusted prop discount prop Discord. So you join, and then it takes you to Discord hub. Now, in case you don't have the Discord hub, you can just use your website. It will take you through the website. Alright, so what you gotta do is accept invites. Okay, so here on the Discord account, after clicking the link, you're gonna see you've been invited to join the trusted prop. So if you have a Discord account, you click on login, and if you don't have one, you click on register. After you've successfully logged in or created an account, you're going to be asked again to accept invite, which you're going to click accept. Alright, so after you've done that, then you click back until you come back to this page where you click on continue. Now if you're required to log in again to your Discord, please do log in again, and then you're gonna see your score increases. So you're gonna see this, it's gonna bring you to this page, and then you're gonna scroll down and click authorize. So when you authorize them, it's gonna bring you back to this page, and you'll see that join trusted prop Discord has been marked completed. Alright, then your entry has increased to 3. Now you need about 12 entries to be able to claim this $5,000 giveaway. You can see 12 ways to enter. Alright, so what you gotta do is to click on the next one. Now you can see that the rest of the ways have been opened. The rest of the entries has been opened, and your entry has increased to 4. Remember, you need at least 12 to enter and gain access to the $5,000 giveaway. Okay, so you continue to the next one. You follow on X, formerly Twitter. You visit and subscribe on YouTube. You visit their Instagram, their TikTok, their Telegram. You do all of these things. Now, to save time, I'm gonna pause, do all of those things, and then continue the video. Alright, by the time you're done, you'll see that you've gotten 12 entries already, and that means you are now qualified to get the $5,000 giveaway. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips.